Hello traders, my name is Rolan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy, and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
Hello guys, let's get started. We have $150 on our balance. Today we will start from this amount that we will begin to increase our deposit, right? As usual, we will open trades on 1 minute time frame. All currency pairs are chosen, and let's choose the indicators. I have already, today is gonna be Done-Chain Channel, Fractal, and MACD. Done-Chain Channel and Fractal settings we do not change. We leave everything as it is with a period of 20, but we will change the MACD settings, set the period to 5, 7, and 10. The setup of indicators and oscillators is completed. After the end of my trading, you will understand how to work with this strategy properly, how to make money by this strategy, and how to trade with this strategy, right? So practice it and take notes. Let's select the first currency pair for our first position for this session, right? Right. So let's open a trade here for an increase. Relatively good entry point. I think we should have a reversal after such a downward impulse. We are guided here by our trend channel indicator. This is when we touch the lower moving average, then we see the touch of the support area. Let me just point it out. And after we have a new extremum points, in our case it is here, right? The deal needs to be opened in the opposite direction. We have a little more than 10 seconds. It's just the 15 seconds left before transaction is completed. Let's watch the results. Let's just wait for our first profit for today. 5 seconds left, and what do we have? Nice, first deal is closed without any problems. As I said, when the new local minimum or maximum is formed, then the trade needs to be opened in the opposite direction, right? Also, we have a not yet used MACD. Therefore, let's continue trading and look at one more entry principle. I'll show it for you. So let's just analyze. Let's find a better entry so we can work on it, right? Okay. Let's see, what do we got? Maybe, just maybe, yes, we will open here long position for an increase. I would like to focus my attention on our channel indicator. I look at the rebounds from the center line, which we had earlier, then the area a breakout formed. The price went lower and opened a new price low. An update is taking place, of course. Now, very strong downward volumes are shown on the MACD histogram. Accordingly, we should expect an exit, and in effect, I hope we will have it 100%. So, right, that's all for this position. Let's just see how many time we have. Just over 15 seconds left until completion. Let's watch the result of the deal, right? 5 seconds left. I guess we close to our profit, and we are in the profits. Just right now we see the second deal also closes in profit. That's good. Let's update the amount. Okay, there was nothing complicated here. We opened according to the trend. I always advise everyone to do this, right? In every video you could hear this idea, this thought about from me. So let's select the next concept pair. Consider entering a beer trade, right? Let's just see what do we have. Maybe, just maybe, we will find some. No. Let's see. Okay. Not bad. I'll open long position here. I again didn't find an entry into the downside trade. So let's open up again. Since we have a very good point of contact, let's select the workspace for you. Here we have a triple signal, guys, the most accurate signal for this strategy. I would even say a quadruple, right? If you take it into account the support area, this is the first thing. The formation of a new local minimum is the second, and the third, touching the lower moving average of our channel indicator, and fourthly, this is an exit from the oversold area and the intersection of the MACD moving averages from bottom to top. So actually, what is the signal? What is the result of the transaction of the position? We have a little less than 5 seconds, 3 seconds left, and let's just wait for signals here, and we are in a profit, pretty accurate position. Let's update the amount. So I think we opened 3 long positions. I think you understand the principle of opening long positions, right? I still want to try to find a short trade. So let's get started and pick up the next currency pair. Let's find some short position for today, so you will understand how to open in both directions. So you will know when you get to the market, you're just like, okay, short position, I'll open right now because I have signals for that by this strategy. Something in my eye, sorry. And then you will go to another concept pair and see the situation for the long position, and you will just like, oh yeah, that's cool for me, I'll work it out. And for example here, again, long position, basically the same entry principle. I again didn't find a bearish trade, but that's okay. Let's secure the material. All right, a very strong price pullback. It's clear that this has come to us. The news is trading, and therefore the nature of the movement has changed dramatically. Then we will see the formation of a new local low, very strong volumes on the MACD histogram since the candlestick stayed in one place. I decide to conclude that that it's better to open a trade for long after this pullback. We also saw the lower moving average touch here. Who touched you, little boy? We have less than 10 seconds until the position is completed. 5 seconds, and 3, 2, 1. Nice, as we predicted, and our deal also closed with a profit without any problems, guys. Let's change the amount of the value and continue our trading. I'll still try to find some short positions, some short trades. I really want to demonstrate to you how to open a beer trades, right? So let's continue and select the next currency pair. Let's just continue and wait for it. Okay, let's open 2 short positions here. Finally found a good entry into the trade. I think we should have a price correction. Firstly, we have a very good contact here with the support area. In general, this is a quadruple signal. Again, as I said earlier, we will expect a rollback of the price when the upper moving average touches a new local maximum is formed, and from the dynamics of the MACD moving lines, we see that the moving we are going down, right? That is why the trade here is open for a fall. So there are about 15 seconds left right now until completion. Let's watch the results of the transaction, of course. Let's just watch it. Keep your eyes on it. Alright guys, 5 seconds left. Oh, and now also I'm playing Helldivers 2. Guys, for democracy we are in the profits. Nice. Here, good price pullback, as I said, and in general the opening level was ideal and the candle could not break through this level. Let's open 3 trades worth 3,000, of course, dollars. I want to open another short trade. Look at another currency pair, so let's get started and find the next entry, guys. And about the Helldivers 2, this is awesome. I just playing it all the time. I finished now with the God of War, with the Valhalla, with the Spider-Man 2, so I want to play something else, and I'm playing for Super Earth. I'm on a Mavelian Creek, if you know what it is. I'm fighting with the robots. I hate them. It's like Space Vietnam, but for me it's funny. So I didn't find a short position again, so I'll open a long position here on this currency pair. Most likely we have already opened trades here before, so we will again win back from the price rollback as we always did. There is a good support area touching the lower moving average, forming a new local minimum existing, the crossing the moving averages on MACD. So let's watch the result, let's wait for the outcome. And that's it, I guess, for this position. So yes, guys, we are spreading liberty on that robotic planet. So waiting for you. Maybe we will meet there. I don't know, but that's cool. That's cool. I also love to buy new customs. So because this is a helmets and a customs like Star Wars. Who doesn't love this, right? And we are in the profits. For democracy, right? Okay, we're in the profits, so we have 5,000. We open according to the dynamics of the trend, and we are in the profits. To consolidate the result, I suggest opening transactions that complete 5 transactions in the amount of $5,000. So let's get started and lock in our future profits. Let's get it and select the next currency pair, right? So yeah, leave in the comments your experience about the Helldivers 2. What is your favorite enemy? What is your favorite planet to spread liberty there, right? Okay, here we open 5 short positions, final short positions. Finally, we found another short trade. So we open according to the dynamics of the trend again, selecting the workspace area. Here we see that after a strong upward impulse, that is price rollback, a new price cutout has formed, and here we see the formation of a new local maximum, after which I thought we should have a continuation of the trend. Good volumes were shown on the MACD histogram. I'm now guided by them. I observed that the moving averages should cross, so trades are opening for the downside. We have a little more than 10 seconds, 15 seconds left. Okay, until completion. Let's just watch the result. Let's just wait for it. Sending an eagle, right? I wish here some of you playing Helldivers 2 and you understand what I'm talking about. And we are in the profits. Anyway, we caught the correct pullback and fixed our final trades in plus. I'm very pleased with the results. Let's actually fix it and move on to the conclusion. Let's do my favorite part of the videos, right? Let's choose the wallet. The amount will be $9,300. Okay, the code going right here. All right, and continue button, and now our operation is running successfully. We're done. So this is the kind of trading we have today, guys. be sure to repeat, be sure to try it on, be sure practice it a few times, be sure comment if you have some profits, of course, with this strategy. So waiting for you in Telegram, YouTube, likes, comments, and subscriptions, guys. Links below the video. So waiting for you. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.